Hey guys, I'm Julie. Welcome to my handmade channel. Today we are going to make a cute square bag. First of all, let's prepare the fabric. This is the pattern with seam allowance. We need to cut one piece of the body, two pieces of the pockets, and two pieces of the straps. Then we can use an iron to fold the straps right in the middle, fold it in the middle and sew a lock stitch at the shorter ends. Then sew top stitch on all sides. Now let's sew the pockets. Fold the bottom edge twice with 1 cm seam allowance and sew a top stitch. Fold the pocket with 5 cm on the above and fold both sides the same way. Sew the two sides. You can add a line in the middle to separate the storage as well. Now we have prepared all the parts, we can step into the main part. Put the body with the right sides facing each other and sew both sides with 1 cm seam allowance. Sew a lock stitch for them. Then we can pin the pockets in the middle and sew a top stitch. Pin the straps in the right position and sew a cross shape to make them stronger. The final step is adding a top stitch on the very top all around. Now let's turn the inside out to see how it looks. Take care of the corners. We're done! Let's put an iPhone in the large pocket. And we can put our lipsticks in the small pocket, as well as some cards. It fits very well. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye!